I can tell what you think, and you'll always be making the worst of it all. Did you think by now I'd be crashing and burning straight through the wall? Same as I ever was, I do it all because life's too short tonight.
Hello, I'm Dominic, a vendor, a crepes vendor. Today we had a visit at Real Hope Children's Home at Kawangware, and today it was not about crepes only. Today we did a culinary. We prepared food, chapati, stew, and the food was amazing. Everyone, the kids enjoyed the food. We had fun and it was fantastic.
Hi guys, my name is Kaleche. I'm a vendor at the Marula Green Market. I sell beads and resin jewelry. Today, the 15th of April, we came here to represent Marula Green Market vendors. We have been planning visits to the Real Hope Community Foundation. This is our 4th edition, and today tumekuja, we have cooked, tumeenjoy na wao machapo ya manyama hivi, and tumeenjoy. Sahi watoi wako huko ndani wana enjoy some puppet show, and it has really been a beautiful evening day. Na tumejibamba sana, and we appreciate Marula Green Market vendors, and we also thank the Real Hope Community Foundation for having us each and every time that we always say that we come, and we are happy. Asanteni sana.
Hi guys, my name is Kibi, aka Kibi the Freak. I'm usually the DJ at Marula Green Market together with a colleague of mine, Organic Radio, and we are also vendors of Muratina with our brand called Muratawakwa. But today is about Real Hope. So today we came to Real Hope. It's the 15th of April, and we had talked to the manager or the administration of Real Hope so that we can come and enjoy with the kids. So we usually mobilize vendors at the market, and then tunafanya kamchango kidogo so that we can cook for the kids. You know, as you can see, they're enjoying some lovely meal. So thank you the vendors who contributed and the ones who also sent their goodwill. We are always doing this we decided to do this every holiday, school holiday. So this is our 4th edition because we started in 2025 April. So this is then August and then December. So this is April. Thank you so much for supporting this, fellow vendors. Na muendelee kukuja, join the vendors group.